Happy New Year to my amazing YouTube family. Thank you for your love, for your support, and your encouragement. It means a lot to me. This year, 2025, I hope and I pray to have the strength, the great ideas, and inspiration to give you more beautiful and unique tutorial videos. I just believe I'm going to do much more better this year by God's grace. So in this video, which is my very first 2025 video, it's all about sketching, drafting, sewing, and showing off the outcome of the funnel corset and the hip padding skirt. So this video is not for talking, it's just for you to relax and watch through the video. I compiled from the very first step of sketching the outfit I want to make, which is what is currently on screen right now. Then I went ahead to alter my basic bodice block and basic skirts to the desired design already sketched out. The next one was to transfer my pattern into fabric, and I went ahead to add all the necessary elements needed to bring this outfit together or to life, and went on to my sewing machine to sew and to show off the outcome. So I believe you enjoyed this video to the very end. Just be patient and tell me your feedback at the end of the video. So happy watching. After conceiving the idea of what to rock for this occasion, the very first step I did or I made was to have a sketch of what I wanted to do. I have all the materials ready that I'm going to be using for making this two-piece outfit. Once I was done sketching, the next thing was to draft the pattern. I manipulated my basic block into design pattern previously sketched out. Then the next phase was to transfer my pattern onto my fabric. After which the sewing process began for the funnel corsets. Once I was done making the funnel corsets, as you're seeing the outcome on the screen, I moved on to making of the skirts. For making the skirt, I first started my hip padding process. I ensured I have my hip pads ready before cutting and going ahead to sew the skirts. The first video is the skirt without the hip padding, while the second one is the skirt with the hip padding. This is the finished work of the funnel corset and the hip padded skirt. Presently here, I'm fixing in the sleeve which I undraped on the funnel corset itself. The final thing I did in order to enhance the funnel corset was to go ahead to just bead it a little. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. What do you think about this video? Was it interesting? Was it educative? Were you able to learn one or two things from this video? Would you like me to keep making this kind of video on this channel for you to learn more from it? And if you're watching my video for the very first time, or you just came across my channel for the very first time, please like, subscribe and share. I would love to read from you. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Till next time, bye bye.